Baby, falling deeper in your love feels like discovering a secret world where only you and I exist, where every heartbeat, each choice, your name, and every breath carries the warmth of your touch. With each passing day, I find myself more captivated by the way you laugh, the way you care, the way you simply exist. You have become the calm to my storm, the light in my darkest hours, and the reason my soul smiles. Loving you isn't just a feeling, it's a journey. One that depends with every glance, every whisper, every shared silence. I never knew love could be this real, this consuming, this beautifully intense. You have wrapped my heart in a kind of magic I never knew existed, and now I never